friends. And so, I'm Parikshit Mufon Kids, one of love. And we had drawn Preston. Do you remember we had drawn Preston in the last episode video? Yeah. And today we are going to make a Preston's Roblox character. To make a Roblox character, we need a black sketch, pen, and papers, and some glue, and a few colors. And let's start drawing Preston's Roblox character.
Yeah. We start with a black sketch and a white paper.
Yeah.
From the center of the paper, we first make the eye mask. You get it?
Okay.
Now from the center, on the top, and from here, we make line, not a line, a little curved line.
A smiler, like a smiley.
And then we join it to the center.
It's to the center, like this.
Yep. And then we
Do it again.
the other side. So this is the head. Now we make
the
the
body.
body. We leave a little bit of space both sides for the hands, and then we start.
Oh, what I do? Was making a straight line. I'm making an evil one.
Evil one. Preston evil.
Yes.
What is that?
Even Preston.
Evil Preston. Preston is going to get angry with you.
Yes, Preston, you're also.
Sorry.
That's silly. Always have me Roblox character of Preston.
Roblox.
Character of Preston.
Okay.
Do you know what is Roblox?
Why don't?
Ryan plays Roblox.
Okay, Ryan, please.
Yes.
Okay.
And all the other YouTubers also play. Not all of them play, but just enough. Preston and I think just
Yeah.
says
And the
let
legs are ready.
Preston says that the cowboys are
Yo.
going to win, baby.
You are done with.
He always says baby, baby,
Now we
baby.
make the hands. Are you done until here, Parikshit?
No.
No? Let's do it quick.
And do not quick as I can.
Yes. Then,
I'm not done.
okay.
Not done.
Now let's make the hand. We make a
A round circle.
round circle.
Then you might thinking, what are you doing? That is not the circle hand.
That is the top part of the. That is the shoulder. The Roblox. That is why it is called the Roblox, because it is robotic.
Means like a robot.
Means like a robot.
Do you know how to make Preston in real life? Real life Preston.
No. How do we make Preston?
In real life.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, why have we left some space on?
There we'll make something. Okay.
what are we going to make there? Huh?
This.
What is this?
I don't know. Now let's make the
I'm
rope.
not making that.
Okay.
That's not to that thing.
Then we make the 2 circles. And now we make the wings.
Do Preston have wings also in real life?
No. Only the Roblox has. Right?
No.
Why no?
I will start the wing.
Yeah.
I haven't started the
You
wing.
can start.
I can't start only. It's too difficult to draw the wing.
It's so easy.
What?
Yeah. I'm done. Making the wing.
I'm making the second wing now.
Okay. So easy. And now we'll make the. What do we make?
Pa,
Why?
don't make that.
No?
No, don't make that.
Okay, just let me finish this part.
Okay, I'm having some ideas.
What are you
What can we do to Preston?
What?
Just for she'll do a farmer's in his t-shirt.
Mm-hmm. That we will do.
And we can do this also.
Mm-hmm.
Farmer's in his pant also.
No,
Why?
that won't look good.
Preston get angry.
Might be. Might be he does not like you. Done.
We're not going to make a farmer's.
I'm done making everything. Now let us.
Can we do something?
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's
Color it. And we are done with Preston's Roblox.
Character.
So say and say. Ask how was their drawing.
How was your drawing? It was hard or easy? Oh, very easy. And like and subscribe our channel.